Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable custom domain in Netlify for React apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable a custom domain in Netlify for your React app, begin by ensuring you have a Netlify account and a deployed React application. Next, log into your Netlify dashboard. Locate the site you want to configure. Click on the site to open its settings. In the left sidebar, find and select the Domain Settings option. Here, you will see your site's default domain name. To add a custom domain, look for the Add Custom Domain button. Click on it to open the Custom Domain input box. Enter your desired domain name. After entering the domain, click the Verify button. If the domain is available and valid, it will be confirmed. Next, follow the instructions provided by Netlify to update your DNS settings. This usually involves logging into your domain registrar. Access the DNS management section of your domain. Add or modify the necessary DNS records as specified by Netlify. Typically, you will need to create name and a records. For the name record, point it to your Netlify subdomain. For the A record, use Netlify's IP addresses listed in their documentation. After updating the DNS records, return to your Netlify dashboard. In the domain settings, click on Check My DNS Settings. Netlify will verify whether your DNS changes have propagated. This may take some time, usually up to 48 hours, depending on your registrar. Once verified, you will see a message indicating successful configuration. You can now set your custom domain as the primary domain if desired. Lastly, ensure SSL is enabled to secure your custom domain. Netlify typically provides automatic HTTPS for custom domains. Your Netlify site is now accessible via your custom domain. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled a custom domain for your React app on Netlify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.